फिर से लिख दे रहा हूं. What it says, genomic equivalence, that every cell nucleus contains the complete genome established in the fertilized egg. That means, in molecular terms, the DNA of all differentiated cells are identical. ठीक. पॉइंट नंबर 2, तो इधर से लिखता हूं, इसी का है. The unused genes in differentiated cells are not destroyed or mutated. The unused genes in differentiated cells are not destroyed or mutated, and they retain the potential for being expressed. Retain the potential for being, और इसी पोटेंशियल को यूज किया जाता है to induce the totipotency in the stem cell for being expressed. Point number 3. Only a small percentage of the genome is expressed in itself. And a portion of the RNA a portion of the RNA synthesized in the cell is specific for that cell type. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, समझाने की जरूरत है इसको या समझ गए? Do I need to explain it? All these 3 points, very simple points are these. Point number 1, what it says? Every cell nucleus contains the complete genome. हर सेल न्यूक्लियस के पास पूरा कंप्लीट जीनोम है, जो कि इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था फर्टिलाइजेशन के दौरान, एक हैप्लॉइड मेल से दूसरा हैप्लॉइड सेट फीमेल से, दैट formed one diploid set of the chromosomes. So that has established after during fertilization, and after fertilization that diploid cell is fertilized and form the zygote, and all the cells that will arise from that zygote will have the same amount of genetic material present in them except few. For example, germ-line cells or germ cells, sperm or egg, both will have haploid content. So these cells are not having this genomic equivalence with zygote, sperm and egg. They are half in content. Okay. Another exception is the cells B and T cells, cells of the immune system, acquired immune system, B and T cells, where genetic rearrangement has taken place and some part of the genomic DNA is lost there. So this is the second one. Except these two, cells, all the cells are having the same complete genome established in the fertilized egg. In molecular terms, the DNA of the differentiated cells are identical. Sare differentiated cell, whether it is a skin cell or cardiac muscle cells, the nucleus, nuclear content, the genomic content in the nucleus is identical in both. समझ में आया students? First point, is it clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what happens with the to the unused genes which are not expressed? Those genes remain silent. Those genes will remain silent. For example, the genes responsible for the cardiac function will remain silent in the neurons, and the genes responsible for the neuron structure and function will remain silent in the cardiac cell, muscle cell. So those unused genes in a differentiated cell, in different differentiated cells, the unused genes are not destroyed. Instead, they are made silent because of the absence of certain factors, appropriate transcription factors, or in the absence of appropriate signals. Those genes will remain silent. So destroyed are not destroyed or mutated, and they retain the potential for being expressed. And they retain mutated उन जो अनयूज्ड जीन्स हैं डिफरेंशिएटेड सेल में, वो डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होते क्योंकि सेम है डीएनए, दे आर नॉट डिस्ट्रॉयड और म्यूटेटेड, एंड दे रिटेन द पोटेंशियल फॉर बीइंग एक्सप्रेस्ड. वो जीन है लेकिन जीन को शांत करके बैठा दिया गया है, साइलेंट है वो जीन. इफ यू गिव दोज फैक्टर्स and the environment necessary for its necessary for those gene expression, then those gene will be expressed and cells can be reprogrammed. Okay, potency can be induced. Okay, that's why the induced pluripotent stem cell has totipotency, and this has been banned. Research has been banned on this. So only a small percentage, third statement, only a small percentage of the genome is expressed in each cell, and a portion of the RNA synthesized in the cell is specific for that cell type. Out of thousands of genes present in the nucleus, only a small percentage of genes are required for the survival of that cell. Those are housekeeping genes. And some genes which are responsible for the special function acquired by that cell, those genes will get expressed. Housekeeping genes plus special genes. Okay, that is special function which has been acquired after the differentiation, those genes will get expressed. So this total of these two types of the two family of genes will be a small percentage of genome. Okay, so therefore only a small percentage of the genome is expressed. Not all genes are expressed in the cell. Okay, only a small percentage of genes are expressed. ठीक, इवन जायगोट में भी आप कहोगे कि जायगोट किसी भी सेल के रूप में तब्दील हो सकता है. ओके, इट हैज फेट ऑफ ए ब्रॉड, इट हैज ए ब्रॉड फेट. इसी में और कहोगे कि सारे जीन एक्सप्रेस हो जाएंगे क्या जायगोट में? नो, जायगोट हो सकता है लेकिन सारे जीन एक्सप्रेस नहीं हो रहे जायगोट में. कुछ ही जीन एक्सप्रेस हो रहे हैं, उसके बाद वो डिवीजन हो रहा है, डिवीजन के बाद डिफरेंशिएशन हो रहा है. So those sets of genes are getting expressed. Not all the genes are getting expressed at the same time. Okay, and one by one, those genes are getting expressed. Only the factors responsible, transcriptional factors, all of them necessary for the development of entire body, all those factors are present in them. आ रही सब बात समझ में?
Yes, sir.
So you have understood that this theory that all the cells of an organism contain an equivalent complement of genetic information, genomic equivalence has been confirmed for most of the cells, but some exceptions occur in some animal cells where loss, gain, or rearrangement of nuclear DNA has been observed. So exception आपको हम बता दिए. Okay, germ cells and आपके B and T cells. लेकिन वो जरूरी है. जर्म सेल अगर लॉस नहीं करेगा, हैप्लॉइड कंटेंट अगर लॉस नहीं होगा ड्यूरिंग गैमेटोजेनेसिस, तो जर्म सेल अपने पोटेंशियल को, अपने फंक्शन को अटेन नहीं कर पाएगा. वो जरूरी है उसके लिए. दैट्स व्हाई इट डज इट. And same is the case with B and T cell. The function that these cells are acquiring, this type of loss is necessary. So these two are exceptions. Okay, students, I hope you have got it. So here, सवाल है किसी का? Anybody want to ask anything?
No, sir.
Okay. So आपका 1 is over, 2 is over, 3 is over. Right?
Sir, 4 का 4.3.
Oh, yeah, 4.3 also is over.
Access and but yes, sir.
Correct. This paper is, so if you are ready, we can assemble again at 4:30 to cover this 4.1. What do you
Okay,
say?
sir.
You want to take rest
Okay, sir.
or you want
No,
to
sir.
this paper? If you are
Sir,
with
we finish.
okay,
Sir,
good. If you are with
4.1
me,
we finish.
if you are with me, today we will finish unit 4.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
12 बजे क्लास करेंगे, यूनिट 4 खत्म कर देंगे.
ठीक है.
ओके,
Yes.
ठीक. अगर होगा यूनिट 4 कुछ भी हो जाता है, आधा या 4 भी हो जाता है, अगर बच जाता है, कल से मैंने एक लोग बोलते हैं रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ कर दो, रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ